Okay, on the 265, we're going to show you how to set up before you start using it with the computer as the controller. In this case here, if you take a close look at the status lamps, you'll notice only a red on. And the fact that you don't see a blue with an empty table is your first hint that actually it needs zeroing. And sure enough, if you look at the SizeIt, you'll see a weight on there that doesn't actually exist. So the first thing we can do is we can zero the table out. Now that you'll see 0 shows up here, and you'll also now see blue on the display. Now something else that we recommend doing occasionally, some people do it the first start of the shift before you start doing anything, is calibrating the lens. Now some people do this once a month, some people do it once a week. It doesn't hurt to do it anytime you want. And what basically we're doing is we're going to wipe the lens off, make sure everything is nice and clean. And the effect is, what's happening and what we're doing is that the lenses adjust themselves so that if there is actually scratches or things that occur over time into the lens, it will recognize them so it doesn't affect the dimensioning. And as the dust builds up, it takes a little bit longer to get the dimensions. So what we do is just to make sure that everything is as fast as possible, we clean off the lens. And now what I'll do is I will initiate a lens calibration using this software program. We hit the options. We come up here to the calibration tab. We press calibrate. And if we come back to the machine itself, we'll see that the status lights will flash as it's calibrating each bank. I guess it goes without saying that while it's doing the calibration, you shouldn't have any objects on the table at all, because the whole idea is to have it start from clean. The other thing that we recommend doing too is after you've done a calibration, that you turn the power off and on again onto the machine. And you'll see the lights flashing. They'll quickly set up. And now you are ready for your dimensioning. In fact, I'll throw a box on there. We'll just make sure that it does come up. There you go. This is a 12-inch calibrated box, and as you can see, it is perfect. So it's fast, and when the lenses are clean and you do this, you get a little bit more speed out of the machine. And that's how you do it with the computer.